we are doing the baby food challenge.
Oh my god.
And we have a list of baby food
I
that we
have.
I don't really can't read it, but still whatever.
Oh,
and we have to
I'll
guess.
cut off your mustache.
Okay.
Did you spoon his beard?
Yes.
I like this.
And I'm babysitting these KPs. Anyways.
Okay,
I have to guess what they are, and all the labels are gone. Oh my god, seriously? Oh, whatever, we're eating. Okay.
Go first.
Here's the list. We have to try to guess which one is what. Okay.
I'll go first. What about the rifle?
Ew, it's all green. No, ew.
No, okay, you can't have like a little spoon. You have to. I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know
no.
what to do anymore. Yes. Okay. Ready? Ryan? No. We're going this way. Come on, Ryan. Go.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Get your micro powers in there.
Go.
Go big, go big. It smells weird.
Don't
Ew.
smell it. Oh, Nick. Nick, no, you're not supposed to eat it yet. You're supposed to eat that. This look at his face. No, you're supposed to say 1, 2, 3 and eat it at the same
Oh,
time.
I know what this is though.
No, don't stop. Eat it.
I don't know how to eat it. Don't give me a napkin, please.
Oh my god. Okay, Ryan.
Can someone give me a napkin, please?
Okay, we can get the napkin after, okay? Rachel, you have a napkin.
No. Ew.
Wait, okay, so I'm only gonna take a little bit. I said not to eat it!
It is, it's not it.
I mean, it doesn't look bad. Ew.
That's so
Take
disgusting.
that, that's yours.
No. I got diarrhea on my pants already.
You
Oh.
have to do it! Rachel. Okay.
Oh, yeah.